The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a luxury executive car manufactured by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz. For 2015, the E-Class comes in 6 different trim levels, starting out with the E250 BlueTech, which is a diesel engine, the E350, E400, E400 Hybrid, E63 AMG 4MATIC, and last, the E63 AMG 4MATIC S model. The model you're looking at today is the top-of-the-line model, which is the E63 AMG 4MATIC S model, dressed beautifully in obsidian black. The E-Class has always been a role model for the brand, and it is instantly recognizable for its bold, sporty exterior combined with a spacious interior that offers intuitive and informative technology. It sure will be a great vehicle that offers it all in one package: luxurious, comfort, and power. The 2015 E63 AMG S model comes with a very powerful engine. It is handcrafted and built by one person in the AMG division, with 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque just waiting to be put to work. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. That is even more powerful and faster than previous model years. Up front, the first thing you will notice is the full adaptive LED headlamps with active curved illuminations that come standard on the E63 model. The stylish and signature LED daytime running light and LED turn signal light are also integrated into the headlamp. Parking sensors are also integrated into the front bumper. Here you can see the newly redesigned front bumper with the front air dam that feature a massive air intake in a A-wing design, with color gloss black and chrome shadow trims on it, and a closer look at the double crossbar grille design with the huge Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle with this Tronic built into the logo. Front camera are located under the logo as well, and AMG badging on the grille. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the optional black 19-inch AMG 10-spoke alloy wheels with low-profile, high-performance tires. Wheels are staggered in width that ideally balances launch grip with crisp steering feedback. Behind the wheel is the slotted and ventilated brake disc with red-painted 6-piston brake caliper for faster stopping, with AMG lettering on it as well. V8 bi-turbo badge on each fender. Body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side cameras are also built into the side view mirror. Here is a look at the large panoramic sunroof that covers roughly the entire roof, and it can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 19 inches and come staggered in width like I mentioned earlier. It also comes with slotted and ventilated brake discs and red painted brake caliper with AMG lettering on it as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, adaptive braking technology, as well as brake assist. To the back, you see the stylish and purposeful LED tail light with integrated LED brake light, as well as LED turn signal light. LED tail light illuminate quicker and alert driver behind faster to help prevent possible accident. It also lasts longer and brighter than traditional incandescent light bulbs, as AMG badge on the trunk lid. And here's the rear deck spoiler. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser, separated by a black mesh insert that frame the quad chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode with AMG lettering on it as well. Parking sensors are also integrated into the rear bumper. Here's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse, and the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the panic, lock, unlock, and trunk release button, and Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system, so with the key in your pocket, Just press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as obsidian black, featuring a full black leather interior with contrast stitching and silver seat belt. Silver aluminum trims and carbon fiber trims are located throughout the interior. Very sporty interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 E63 AMG 4MATIC S model have to offer. Under the hood is a handcrafted 5.5-liter AMG V8 bi-turbo engine with direct fuel injection, 7-speed AMG speed shift, MCT transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter with eco start and stop system, AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, pushing out 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 3.5 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 city, 22 highway, and 18 combined. Beautiful engine. It is very powerful and impressive. Now we're going to shut it down and take it out for a short test drive to see how it performs. The Mercedes-Benz CLS class had finally received a facelift for 2015. Today, I have the pleasure to film the 2015 CLS 63 AMG S model. The redesign of the CLS class brings a more muscular stance and subtle styling to a whole new level. Its new aggressively AMG body styling can be easily identified throughout the exterior. The new front bumper, new grille, new multi-beam active full LED headlight, new wheels, as well as the new rear bumper, all of which that will catch as many attention everywhere it goes. The 2015 CLS 63 AMG S model is no doubt the most powerful version of its class, even more powerful than previous year. With a handcrafted engine that was built specifically by one person in the AMG division, the 2015 CLS 63 AMG model are equipped with a 5.5-liter bi-turbo V8 engine, which unleashes a staggering 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, along with the millisecond quick direct injections and multi-spark ignition technologies of the standard engine. Increased fuel injection pressure and turbo boost are among the enhancements that deliver 60 miles per hour in an even more spectacular 3.6 seconds. Up front, the first thing you will notice is the multi-beam active full LED headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lamps. Multi-beam active full LED headlamp technology feature continuous camera scanning of the road ahead to allow the angle and pattern of the beam to be adaptive earlier and more precisely even before the driver starts to turn. Adaptive high beam assist infinitely vary the beam to maximize their range without causing glare for other drivers. Parking sensors are also integrated into the front bumper. And here's a closer look at the new AMG grille with AMG badging on it. And the front camera is located right above the Mercedes-Benz logo. Very aggressive front ends. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the optional 19-inch AMG crossfork fork alloy wheels with high-performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of slotted cross-drill brake discs with 6 piston fixed-type brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake caliper are painted in shiny red with black AMG lettering on it. Looks very sporty. V8 bi-turbo badge on each fender. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side camera are also located under the side view mirror. And it does feature folded option. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 19 inches. Behind the rear wheel is also the slotted cross-drill brake disc and the brake caliper painted in red with AMG lettering on it as well. It also comes with the anti-lock braking system, adaptive braking technology, as well as brake assist. To the back, you see the full LED tail light with integrated LED brake light and LED turn signal light. LED technology also illuminates the brake lamps more quickly, offering driver behind you more time to react, which could make a critical difference in a panic stop. Very stylish tail light. AMG badging on the trunk lid. And here's the deck lid spoiler. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that framed the quad trapezoidal exhaust tips with dual sound mode. Parking sensors are also integrated into the rear bumper. AMG lettering are also embossed on the exhaust tip. Rear view camera are located right above the license plate. And there's the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the panic, lock, unlock, and trunk release button. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as steel gray metallic, featuring a full black leather interior with dark wood trims and aluminum trims throughout. Very modern and cool looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, insert the key into the key ignition located on the right, turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Mercedes-Benz COS 63 AMG S model have to offer. Under the hood is a handcrafted 5.5-liter AMG bi-turbo V8 engine with 7-speed AMG speed shift with multi-clutch technology and AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive with eco start and stop system, pushing out 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 3.6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 16 city and 22 highway. Very impressive engine with tons of power. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Hey guys, today I have the flagship of the Mercedes-Benz brand, the 2016 S63 AMG sedan, dressed beautifully in selenite gray metallic with crystal gray Napa leather interior. The S63 AMG is a high-performance version of the S550 sedan. Under the hood, it features a 5.5-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with direct fuel injection, AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system with Airmatic air suspension, boasting an impressive amount of horsepower, 577 to be exact, and 664 pound-feet of torque. 664, that is plenty of torque and horsepower for you to pass any vehicle on the road when needed. The S63 AMG also features a lightning fast 7-speed AMG speed shift transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter that you can use to change gear within the blink of an eye. It also features the Eco Start and Stop system to help saving fuel. With the Eco Start and Stop system, the engine will automatically shut off when you come to a complete stop, such as a red light or stop sign, and will turn back on as soon as you let go of the brake pedal. It works instantly and doesn't cause any delay with the S63 model. It can also be turned off if you prefer to. The 2016 S-Class is majestic in presence, yet sleek and athletic. From its proud chrome grille to its strong rear shoulders, it clearly conveys the power and strength within. The S63 offers an exclusive AMG design lower body work that reveals the performance pedigree of the S63 AMG 4MATIC with purposeful style. Large functional mesh air intake in the deep front apron, feature airflow channeling windlets, and are set off by a matte chrome splitter. So here we have the sticker to the car. As you can see, all the standard and the optional equipment that comes with this vehicle. Now you can certainly hit the pause button if you need to take a closer look, but standard price comes with this vehicle start out from $143,250, and with all the optional equipment it comes up to be at $163,455, and that's including destination charges. Up front, the S63 AMG also features an all-LED exterior lighting, and it is the first car without a single light bulb since the advent of electric lighting in the automobile. From its headlamp to a distinctive 3-tier tail lamp, nearly 200 long-lasting energy-efficient LED accomplish every exterior lighting function with distinctive style. Parking sensors are also integrated into the front bumper. At the bottom, you can see the air dam as well as the dual air intake that feed throttle air into the engine. The air dams are also made up of carbon fiber. And there you have the S63 AMG grille with Distronic built into the middle, with AMG badge on the side, and the Mercedes-Benz logo on the hood. It also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Now looking at the side, you can see that this particular model comes with 20-inch AMG 5-spoke fork alloy wheels with 255/40 low-profile performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of ventilated cross-drill brake discs in the huge brake caliper painted in red with AMG lettering on it. The huge brake caliper also helped the S63 AMG stop a lot quicker. V8 bi-turbo badge on the fender. Carbon fiber side view mirror with integrated LED brake light. Side camera are also built into the side view mirror, and the mirror does feature folded option. On top, you can see the huge panoramic sunroof that covers roughly the entire roof, and it can also be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 20 inches and come stacked in width with 285/35 low profile performance tires as well. Behind the rear wheel, you also find the ventilated cross-drill brake disc and the brake caliper painted in red with AMG lettering on it as well. It also comes with adaptive braking technology, anti-lock braking system, as well as brake assist. I really love the wheel design. And there you can also see the carbon fiber side seals. To the back, you see the stylish and purposeful tail lamp with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. The redesigned tail lamp employs LED technology for every function and with distinctive form, brighter than traditional incandescent light bulbs. LED technology also helps deliver quicker illumination of the brake lamps by offering driver behind you more time to react, which could make a critical difference in a panic stop. And there you have the S63 badge as well as the long chrome strip on the trunk lid. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser with carbon fiber strip running across the bottom portion that frame the quad chrome trapezoidal exhaust tip with dual sound mode and AMG lettering printed on it. Parking sensor are also integrated into the rear bumper. And there you have the rear view camera, which will retract once the vehicle is in reverse. On top is the third LED brake light. Okay, so here I have the remote. On the remote I have the panic, lock, unlock, and trunk release button. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. And as you can see, side view mirror will automatically fold when the vehicle is locked. After a few seconds, just place your hand behind the door handle to unlock, and side view mirror will automatically unfold when the vehicle is unlocked. And all four doors are equipped with self-close automatic door, so if you fail to close it, it'll close for you. The exterior color is known as selenite gray metallic, featuring a crystal gray seashell Napa leather interior with premium dogwood trims and carbon fiber trims as well as aluminum trims throughout. Very sporty and luxurious interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, just push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 S63 AMG have to offer. Under the hood is a handcrafted 5.5-liter AMG bi-turbo V8 engine with 7-speed AMG speed shift with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter and AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive with equal start and stop system, pushing out 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 3.9 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 15 city, 23 highway, and 18 combined. Very impressive engine. And I love that carbon fiber trims on the engine bay as well. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2016 Mercedes AMG GTS, dressed exclusively in the Signal Magno Iridium Silver matte finish. The Mercedes AMG GTS is a two-door, two-seat Grand Tourer coupe produced by Mercedes-AMG of Germany. The AMG GT exterior design was kept similar to that of the predecessing SLS AMG. It featured the wide wheel arches and lower bodywork of the SLS, but does not employ its gull-wing door. The interior features a large center console and decorative element in a leather and carbon polymer design, which give the AMG GTS a very unique and impressive cockpit design. The GTS uses a front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout with the engine inside the vehicle's wheelbase. The vehicle structure is made up of 93% aluminum with the front module base made up of magnesium. The car is powered by a brand new engine made by Mercedes-AMG, which features a front mid-mounted 4-liter bi-turbo V8 engine. This new V8 is in a hot inside V configuration with exhaust and turbocharger inside the cylinder banks to reduce turbo lag and uses dry sump lubrication. The power is sent to the rear wheel through a transaxle 7-speed AMG speed shift dual clutch transmission. The 4-liter bi-turbo V8 engine in the AMG GTS is even more responsive. With 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, it can hit from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds according to Mercedes. Better yet, in a recent road test executed by Car and Driver, the AMG GTS managed to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and ran the quarter mile in just 11.2 seconds. Now let's take a look at the sticker here. So the base AMG GTS starts at $129,900. This model comes with a $3,950 Signal Silver Matte paint option, Black Nappa red seats for $1,200, and a whole list of options below. Total of $26,085 in options, not including destination and handling. Now you can pause the video and take a closer look if you like. Up front, the first thing that will catch your attention is the pair of active full LED headlight with integrated LED daytime running lamp as well as LED turn signal lamp. In the middle, you can see the AMG grille with Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle. Very aggressive looking front end. Now moving to the side, this particular model comes upgraded with 19-inch AMG cross-spoke fork wheels in black with 265/35 low profile high performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of ventilated cross-drill brake discs with the huge brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake caliper are painted in red with AMG lettering on it. And here's the specific AMG GTS fender with V8 bi-turbo on it. gloss black side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. On top, you can see the fixed panoramic sunroof. Now rear wheels are also 19 inches and are stacked in both width and diameter to optimize every element of handling. Behind the rear wheel is also the ventilated cross-drill brake disc and the brake caliper painted in red with AMG lettering on it as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, adaptive braking technology, as well as brake assist. I really like the wheel design on this model. To the back, the first thing you'll notice is the full LED tail light with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED technology also illuminates the brake lamp more quickly, offering driver behind you more time to react, which could make a critical difference in a panic stop. Very stylish looking tail light. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that frames the dual trapezoidal exhaust tube. Rear deflector and parking sensor are also integrated into the rear bumper. Rear view camera is located right above the license plate. And here's the automatically deploying rear spoiler. And I'll show you how it looks retract. Very sporty looking back. And there's the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote I have the panic, lock, unlock, as well as trunk release. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. And as you can see, the side view mirror will automatically fold once the vehicle is locked. And to unlock, just place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And once again, side view mirror will automatically unfold. The exterior color is known as iridium silver metallic, finished in matte, featuring full black exclusive nappa leather interior with red contrast stitching as well as silver aluminum trims and carbon fiber trims throughout. Very sporty looking interior. Okay, now let's jump into the driver's seat. So to start the vehicle, you can either press the start and stop button or insert the key into the key ignition located inside the center console and turn it twice to start. So I'm going to walk outside and show you guys the exhaust note from the outside. We're going to start it up in normal mode and then rev it up in normal, and after a while we're going to rev it up in Sport Plus mode. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 AMG DTS have to offer. Under the hood, the AMG DTS is equipped with 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with 7-speed AMG speed shift, dual clutch transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, rear wheel drive with eco start and stop system. It also comes with forked dual wishbone suspension for both the front and the rear. The AMG GTS is pushing out 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. can hit from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds according to Mercedes. Top track speed is electronically limited at 193 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 16 city, 22 highway, and 18 combined. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. The 2016 Mercedes-Benz SL Class is a Grand Touring Roadster manufactured by Mercedes since 1954 with seating for 2 passengers. It is a retractable hardtop convertible and offered in 4 different trim levels, starting out with the SL400, SL550, SL63 AMG, which is what I have here today, and last, the SL65 AMG. The high-performance SL63 AMG I have here today features an even more powerful V8 bi-turbo engine that generates a staggering output of 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, along with its millisecond quick direct injection and multi-spark ignition technologies. Increased fuel injection pressure and turbo boost are among the AMG enhancements that deliver 60 miles per hour in a spectacular 4.1 seconds. Now, some standard feature I'd like to mention that comes with the SL63 AMG includes a limited slip rear differential, 19-inch alloy wheels, a more aggressively calibrated adaptive suspension, upgraded brakes, a sport exhaust, a higher top speed limiter, and a special styling element for both the interior as well as the exterior. The cabins also get upgraded leather upholstery, a sport steering wheel, carbon fiber interior trim, and an AMG performance media system that can display G-forces and other related information. Up front, the first thing you'll notice is the bi-xenon headlamp with active curve illumination. Integrated into the headlamp is the LED daytime running lamp as well as the LED turn signal lamp. High-intensity retractable headlight washer as well as park assist are also integrated into the front bumper. In the middle is the AMG chrome grille with AMG badging on it, as well as the Distronic Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle. Very aggressive looking front ends. And the hood also features 2 air extractors for air to pass through. This particular model comes with 19-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels. Behind the wheels, the huge brake caliper painted in red with AMG lettering on it. And there's the specific SL63 AMG fender. To the back, the first thing you'll notice is the pair of LED tail lamps with beautiful LED turn signal lamp as well as LED brake lamp. At the bottom is the shiny black rear diffuser that frames the quad trapezoidal exhaust tube with dual sound mode. And there you have the shiny black rear deck spoiler. SL63 badge on the trunk lid, and there's the rear view camera. The rear ends are as aggressive looking as the front. And here's the look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with carbon fiber trims as well as white contrast stitching. Both windows are fully automatic. You also have diamond stitching on the seat as well as the door panel. Very nice looking seat with great upholstery material. The Sport AMG flat bottom steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather with Alcantara side grip. Looks very sporty. Carbon fiber trims all around the dash as well as the center console. Alright, now let's start it up and see how it sounds. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 SL63 AMG has to offer. So under the hood you see a 5.5 liter AMG bi-turbo V8 handcrafted engine with 7-speed AMG speed shift multi-clutch transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, along with the millisecond quick direct injection as well as multi-spark ignition technology. It is pushing out 557 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. Top track speed is electronically limited at 186 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 16 city and 25 highway. Very impressive engine. Alright guys, so that is it for today's review. I was able to only get a short clip of this car for you guys to see because it is ready for delivery and the owner is waiting for it. So go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like the SL63 AMG. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.